Day one of the body repair kit is going to start with a 5-minute lower body stretch, followed by 3 exercises to strengthen your hips and your lower back. Each exercise you're going to perform for 2 sets, 10 reps each side or leg. This is the 5-minute lower body, hip, and core routine. It's an excellent routine to do before you start a lower body workout or if you've been sitting around for an extended period of time. To get started, we're going to begin in the upward dog position, arms locked out, hips drop down to the ground, looking straight ahead. Let those hips sink down. If you can't get to the arm lock, you can bend your arms slightly also. From here, you're going to rock over to your left, and then rock over to your right. From here, we're going to sit back into child's pose. Extend your arms in front of you, bringing your butt to your heels. Walk your hands on over to the left side with the right hand over the left hand. And then switch. Walk your hand over to the right side, left hand over the right hand. From here, you're going to come up. Next series here, we're going to start with your left leg in, right leg out. Key thing with this stretch is make sure that your foot is pointing up so it's not rotated out. From here, you're just going to fold forward over your right leg. Grab onto your calf, if you can reach your toe, and hold. And then come up, you're going to counter rotate, hands over your left leg, bring your forehead down to the floor. Then come up, take your right hand on your left leg, left hand comes up. Again, keeping that toe rotated up, you're going to curl your left hand over towards your right leg. Then unwind, left hand down, right hand comes up. You're going to thread the needle here with your right hand, bring your head down to the mat. And come up, switch, left leg out, right leg in. Keep that foot rotated up, and then fold over your left leg. And then come up, counter rotate. Bring your head down to the floor. And then come up, left hand, right knee, right hand comes up, curling towards your left foot. Keep that foot rotated up. And release. Moving on to our backs. We're going to fold the right leg up into a figure 4. Take your right hand, thread the needle, bring your left hand around, interlock your fingers, and then pull your knees into your chest. If you can't quite grab your hands around, you can also grab behind your thigh here. And release. Switch. I'm going to bring the left leg up. Hand threads a needle. Right hand comes around, interlocks hands with the left hand, and then pull your knees in towards your chest. And release. Moving on to some lower back stretches. You're going to take your right leg, bring it over your left leg, and drop that left leg down over to your right. Come up, switch, left leg over right, drop that right leg on over to the left side. Last stretch, right leg straight, bring your left leg, cross it all the way over, right hand goes on left leg, left hand opens over to the left, looking over to your left. The goal here is to try to get your knee as close to the ground as possible and your hand down to the ground as well. And switch. Left leg straight, right leg crosses over, left hand, right leg, right hand comes up, and counter rotate. And release. First exercise, starting on your side with your head supported with your arm underneath it, you're going to extend your top leg and then rotate it down so that your toes are pointing down. From here, with your quad tight so that your leg stays straight, core is tight, hands on your hip so you don't rock back. Don't lift your leg here. Again, keeping your toe down, quad tight, avoiding rocking back here. Second exercise, in the same position, except now what you're going to do is you're going to bring your knees back and your hips forward so that your shoulders, your hips, and your knee are in alignment. From here, core is tight, hand on your hip. You're going to rotate that foot up. So you're going to be internally rotating your hip here and then lifting your leg with your foot above your knee. If you have a mirror or reflection in the window, I'd recommend doing that so you can make sure this foot stays above your knee and doesn't flop down here. Third exercise is bird dogs. I don't know why it's called that. That's just the name of it. You're going to start here on all fours, keeping your core tight. You're going to extend one arm and leg out, and then you're going to curl and tuck your elbow to your knee. Extend, keeping your core tight, and avoid overarching your back by keeping that core tight. Curl and tuck, extend out.